figuring out what taxes are going to be 5, 10, 20 years down the road, it's almost impossible. There's no crystal ball that tells us exactly what the different tax brackets are going to be in the future. Hi, my name is Alan Hensley, and I am a wealth advisor here at Merriman Wealth Management. Where the country is currently and kind of the trajectory that we're on, I think we can make some educated guesses to where we're heading. And when we think about the tools that we have at our disposal right now to be as efficient as possible in retirement with taxes, well, I think all signs point to the Roth IRA as one powerful option for minimizing taxes. But really understanding the impact of converting money and putting it into a Roth IRA, that takes careful planning. And that's something that I'm really excited to teach everyone that comes to the webinar about. And in this class, we're going to take a pretty deep dive into where taxes have been previously in the country and then where we're headed, and then how you can use Roth conversions to potentially save yourself a ton of money in retirement. And then also when it comes to legacy planning, the Roth IRA is something that should be in consideration. I hope we get as many people as we can to attend the Road to a Tax Savvy Retirement. And yeah, I think at a minimum, you'll leave this class knowing a little bit more about how Roth conversions work. And then you can hopefully make some decisions on if it's a good fit for your financial plan. And then of course, if anyone wants to talk with us, that's what we're here for. We're happy to set up those meetings. So yeah, I look forward to it. We've got a couple of classes coming up, and yeah, I hope to see you there.